What's going on, everybody? My name is RICARDO RON and welcome to my channel. On this channel you're going to find everything about men's grooming and skincare, product reviews, how-tos and DIYs, and everything in between. And then I'm going to throw in a little bit of fashion, travel, and lifestyle in there too, just to mix it up a little bit. So a little bit about me is I'm not an esthetician, but I am an enthusiast, which means I've tried several products. I go to the stores and I look at ingredients and I promote stuff that I feel is worth buying. And not only do I promote the stuff that I know is worth buying, but I've used it. So if you like content like this, you want to see something that you have questions about grooming and products and skincare issues, patchy beards, acne, then make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.